Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great. I am Purba and I welcome you all again in my channel. Today's video is all about Monday to Friday. Very tasty, super delicious winter special Indian dinner recipes. I am giving you some dinner ideas and also I'll share few recipes in details. And please my friend, don't forget to watch this video till end because Friday dinner will be very special and super delicious because we all love to start our weekend with a very tasty and delicious dinner. So yes, Friday will be special and rest of the days will be super easy and simple dinner ideas perfect for this winter season. So now let's start this video. Now let's start with Monday dinner plan. My Monday dinner idea is super simple and super easy. In Monday, I'm making something very healthy and something very delicious, perfect for winter time. And it's whole wheat noodles with lots of vegetable. And that will be winter special vegetable too. In Monday, we all love to make simple dinner, so let's start. In the pan, I have added some oil and now I'm adding lots of winter special veggies. I have added green peas and then capsicum, red capsicum and also orange capsicum, onion. So all these winter special veggies I have added. And here I'm adding salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper because I want it little spicy, so little bit more black pepper powder. Vegetable choice is up to you, my friends. Whatever vegetable is available in your kitchen, you can use it. But yes, in the winter time, we should intake lots of seasonal fresh veggies like carrots, peas, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage and capsicum. And now I am mixing all the ingredients properly. These veggies will not take much time to get cooked. And also you already know I love my veggies to be little crunchy, not very soft and soggy. I have added just a little amount of roasted jeera and little amount of red chili powder into it. And now I am adding some water and covering the lid. And now here I have added boiled noodles. This is whole wheat multigrain noodles which is made with oats flour. So it's very good for our health and it's not made with all-purpose flour or maida. If you can make whole wheat noodles with lots of veggies and without any sauce with preservative, then it's good for your health too. But yes, twice or thrice in a month is perfectly okay. You already know that I love to make my food protein enriched, so that's why I'm making 2 poached egg. And here my poached egg is ready. And now it's serving time and you already know, my friends, that I love to serve my food well. So here in 2 dinner plates I have taken my noodles. Here I am adding just a little amount of cheese on top. And now 2 poached egg on top of the noodles and it's looking super good and also it's health enriched. So this is a perfect balanced dinner platter. You will get carb from noodles, you will get vitamin and lots of fiber from all the veggies, and of course eggs will provide you lots of protein, some oregano and some black pepper on. So yes, here is my super easy, super quick Monday dinner is ready. Please my friends, do try it in your home. You can add some chicken, some prawns, even some fish pieces into it too to make it even more protein enriched if you don't like to add paneer. And vegetarian people, you can add some paneer into it too. And some fresh fruit juice, and here is my dinner. Now let's move into my Tuesday dinner. Tuesday dinner also is very easy and super healthy. Here I am making multigrain paratha with lots of dahi into it. I made this paratha dough with some dahi and methi powder. All the recipes I cannot share in this video in details, but definitely in future I'll share this recipe in details for you all. Grain dahi paratha, this whole moong dal will be just perfect combination and it's loaded with fiber and lots of vitamin. And my friends, if you are on your weight loss journey, this moong dal is just perfect for your dinner or lunch. So here in 2 dinner plates, I'm arranging some salads, freshly cut salads and also dal and paratha. And here my Tuesday dinner is looking super healthy, super delicious. It's protein and of course fiber and vitamin enriched. Nutrient dense Tuesday dinner is ready. Here my friends, I have added some ghee on top of my dal because ghee is very good for our health. And also I have added some salad, I have already told you. And some other day I'll share the recipes in details, but today I'm sharing just the dinner idea with you all, and I hope you have enjoyed. So some other day stay tuned for the recipe. And also some dahi is just a perfect idea. Now let's move into my Wednesday dinner plan. Wednesday winter dinner is just super perfect because it's chicken soup, and I always love to have chicken soup in my rainy season and in my winter season diet. Here you can see I have added lots of veggies into it. Here is papaya, here is carrots, and also I have added some green peas too. And one piece of potato. Yes, you can have one small potato throughout the day if you are on your weight loss journey too. So here my friends, one piece of chicken leg, and if you cannot finish your dinner without any carbohydrate, I mean roti, chapati or bread, then you can have a small bowl of rice. So I think this is a perfect combination if you are having a fever, if you are suffering from cold and cough in the winter season, then also this soup will provide you a lot of comfort, and it's protein and vitamin fiber enriched low carb high protein meal. So here is my Wednesday dinner. And here comes my Thursday dinner idea, and in Thursday it's whole wheat pasta. How exciting is that? Yes, we all love to have pasta, but it must be whole wheat. Whole wheat pasta is a good source of fiber and carbohydrate, and also it's protein enriched. So please my friends, you can add it in your weekdays dinner plan because pasta doesn't take much time to get cooked. And I have already shared a lot of pasta recipes in my channel, so I'm not giving you any details recipe. You can watch my previous pasta recipe and I'm sure you are going to love it. And here is my platter is looking like. Also, I have added some spring onions on top. I have cut some fresh tomatoes and onions. Also, one green chili. I was telling you that I already shared pasta recipes. Yes, probably last week I shared a pasta recipe, Indian style pasta. So please do try it. Bikram also loved it, my hubby. And I also shared that feedback with you all. So please do watch. You can add some cheese on top too, especially if you are serving it to your kids. And now I am adding some little more spice, I mean some more chili flakes on top to make it little more spicy, and it's super healthy, super delicious, protein enriched pasta is ready for our Thursday dinner plan. Please do try it in your home. And now here comes Friday dinner idea, and always Fridays are very special, especially in the winter time. I always love to make something special in Fridays like puris or sometimes very easy biryani or fried rice, this type of recipes, because Saturday or Sundays we have some plans, sometimes in your friend's place, or we have some plan to go outside. So Friday dinner must be very, very special. We all love to welcome weekend with a happy note. So that's why yes, Fridays are special. And for Friday dinner here I am making dum aloo, very yummy and tasty winter special dum aloo. With that I'm gonna make some puri or luchi, we call it in Bengali, and begun bhaja or brinjal fry. First of all, I have made the puri dough and now I am keeping it aside. First of all, here in the pan, I have added some cumin seeds, and also I am adding one red chili, dry red chili, cardamoms, 2-3 cardamoms and 3-4 longs or cloves. All these Indian spices have medicinal values, my friends. I already told you many times in my videos, especially in my diet plan related videos. But one day I'll make a full video on only Indian spices. And now I have added onion into it. After adding the onion, now I'm adding some salt into it. Whenever we add salt in our onion, it will take less time to get cooked. And here you can see Bikram is roaming around the kitchen. He is feeling very hungry today. He is very excited because he's going to have some puri. And also I have added little bit of sugar, not much. And now it's time to add green chilies and tomatoes into it. And now I'm mixing everything well. here my masalas are almost ready. Now it's time to add all the dry spices. Here is all Indian spices like cumin powder, red chili powder, dhania powder and also turmeric powder or haldi powder. Now after cooking the masalas with onion tomato paste, now here I am adding warm water. Just little by little I'll add warm water and I'll keep on cooking the masala. And now it's time to add boiled potatoes into it. Yes, I have already boiled the potatoes with little amount of salt. And now I am mixing my potatoes with all the masalas. We Bengalis love to have this type of dum aloo, but of course we cannot eat it in regular basis. Once in a while as a special dinner, it's perfect. And you know my friends, sometimes we have to indulge our taste buds. We have to have very special kind of dinner or lunch. And finally now I am adding the water into it. So this type of consistency I want. Now I'll cover a lid. Now before covering the lid, here I am adding kasuri methi. Kasuri methi will add some fantastic flavor into the dish. So yes, here I have covered the lid. Within just 3-4 minutes my dum aloo will be absolutely ready. And here I have already started making my begun bhaja or eggplant fry. And yes, both the recipes are done. My dum aloo is done and begun bhaja is also ready. In winter season, we Bengalis love to have brinjal or eggplant in so many different ways like begun bhaja, begun pora, etc. And now after doing everything, now it's time to make garam garam luchi. That means hot puris. Yes, now it's time to fry the puris. So yes, everything is done. Here now I am serving it in this steel plate. I just absolutely love this plate of mine. And also I made some desserts. Very soon I'll share the dessert recipes in details in my channel. These are very special Bengali style winter dessert. I'll share it very soon. And here is my platter is ready. So yeah, here comes my winter special Friday dinner idea, which I absolutely love to make, which I absolutely love to share with you all. And very soon I'll share all these dessert recipes, especially Bengali style winter dessert recipes. So please do let me know how you have liked it and do let me know about my other dinner platters too. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed my winter special Monday to Friday full week meal planning, where I have shared few healthy ideas with you all. And of course, my Friday dinner idea was very special. So I hope you have enjoyed that platter too, which I'm enjoying right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video if you really liked it and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. Take care of your health, do lots of exercise, eat healthy, take plenty of water and always keep smiling. So tata bye bye love.